Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you 3 Solana meme coins. These are picks that I think could do very well. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. These are Solana meme coins. Okay, so it doesn't get much more degen than this, so keep that in mind. If you guys can so kindly like, comment, subscribe, give me your top 3 picks. Let me know what I missed here, and let's have a little bit of fun. So with that being said as well, I want you guys to understand that right now we are, in my opinion, at the beginning slash maybe quarter mark of a incredible run for Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin begins to accumulate more liquidity, we're going to see Solana grow bigger, in my opinion, and then we will see the meme coins just go through the roof. So let's dive into some of these. So Solana, I think it's just going to be it already is, right? It is the place where people go to pick up memes, and there's some on the list here that you've probably already heard about. But I think there's still a lot of opportunity. So let's get into one thing here. First, Bitcoin is at 87,000, let's call it. We're Tuesday, November 12th, 2024, and we've seen Dogecoin go up 100%, okay? So what I think is going to happen next, especially in the meme market, is that we are going to see top-level Solana memes go nuts. So what are these? Number one, we're going to go with a lesser risk meme. So this is a meme that's already pumped, but I think has a lot more legs to go. We're going to talk about Dog with Hat. So that's number one. Dog with Hat, kind of cute, kind of fun. And again, memes are just a representation of a moment in time, right? It's culture. It's, it's the fight token, right? When after Trump was assassinated, the fight token that went up a lot. The Harris token, the Barack Obama token, which I think is hilarious. We also have Dog with Hat, right? It's cute. Just a dog with hat. And now it's a meme, right? You got Doge. It's just a dog. So this is something, Dog with Hat, that I think has a lot more room to go. You're looking at a 2.8 billion market cap. For this to get to a 10 billion market cap, I would not be surprised at all, right? So again, we're assuming that this is just fun money. You're screwing around. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is something that is going to outperform Solana, assuming that Solana picks up some of the market cap from Bitcoin and begins to go nuts. So YouTubers are talking about this. There's also Cat with Hat. It's just a fun little meme, and I think it could do well. So number 2, this is going to be a mid-risk one, a little more risk, more potential reward, and that's going to be GigaChad. So GigaChad is another meme on Solana. Let's see if it's under the Solana eco here. I'm not sure if it's been pumping recently. Here it is, though. It's called GigaChad, and basically it was a pretty big internet meme for a while. There were these photos going around, and a lot of YouTubers were talking about it, of this GigaChad guy. It was this girl who was posting photos of her fake AI bodybuilder type boyfriend. He kind of has like that massive jawline, just a Chad of a dude, right? So this went nuts for a while. And this thing, I was watching it. I did own some here. It was around, what was it? 1 penny, 1.5 pennies. Sold it at 2. So I didn't get a lot of profit. I should have held. But again, now that it's been down, specifically on the day, 21%, 25% on the week. So be cautious, but I feel like, assuming that Bitcoin gets another leg up, this thing will just rally. It'll go up probably to all-time highs, at least over the next couple months, assuming we're in a bull run. So that's GigaChad. Another fun one, I would say a little more of a mid-risk, right? So here's another one. We're going to talk about Peanut, okay? I would keep this in the mid risk. We're not going to talk about anything too degen. If you're looking for a degen pick, perhaps Land Wolf and or Punk still, right? So Land Wolf would be something that's like 10 to 20 mil market cap, could go absolutely nuts, but it's just so risky where it's like, I'm telling you to pick up like just, bottom of the barrel stuff. So we're not going to do that. Now, Peanut the Squirrel. For those of you that didn't hear about it, basically there's a dude that owned a squirrel, and he was I believe he was a TikToker, and he made all these cool videos with the squirrel. He had a pet squirrel, and the police took the squirrel away, and it became a whole internet movement where people were like devastated by this because this guy built a connection. I don't know if it was him and his wife or him and his girlfriend, but yeah, like that's where you see memes just take off, right? So something big that happens culturally, anything that happens in the world, you could see a meme come out of it. So Peanut the Squirrel, it's called Peanut. I think it's such a good name. It's got the fight behind it, right? Like that's the thing with these memes. You just don't know what's gonna happen. I'm actually surprised that some other tokens haven't pumped that have somewhat of a similar significance. But yeah, these are my 3 picks. I think these 3 tokens, in terms of memes, will do well, assuming that the market remains bullish. But again, they are meme coins. They are not safe by any means. All of crypto is pretty dangerous, including Bitcoin when you're at a peak. So keep that in mind. So if you guys can, head over to the link tree, pick up a Tangem. This is a cold storage wallet. It allows you to self-custody your crypto. In the case that you're holding everything on an online exchange, you can move your crypto to this or the Tangem ring. So here's a Tangem ring. This is a ring. I can take it off, sign transactions, and only I own my crypto. Not your keys, not your cheese, please. So guys, use code Moose, save 10% off. We've sold over 925 of these. I believe we're at 930 now, so I got to check the numbers. But to me, that's fantastic. If I'm helping you protect your crypto, that's great. So guys, comment down below if you're interested in these memes. If you guys got loose on any of these memes. By the way, just to share with you that the Moose is a little crazy, I've got $1,000 of Peanut. So yeah, this is just for fun, but just to share with you, I do believe that Peanut could go up probably another 30, 40, 50%. And then I'm going to swap it back to Solana. So just having fun with this one. So that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.